हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय स्वामीनारायण। माई सेल्फ राजेंद्र पटेल, सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स, स्टैंडर्ड 6 इंग्लिश मीडियम। Last period we studied about fraction in exercise 7.1. We studied sum number 1 to 6. Today we are going to study about exercise 7.1 and sum number 7 to 11. Friends, let us start. Look in the board. I read question. Kanchan dresses she had to dress 30. Kanchan want to dresses 30 dresses to complete. She has so far finished 20 dresses. How many dresses she complete? 20. What fraction of dresses she finished? First write Kanchan dresses 20 dresses and she wants dresses is 30. So out of 30, she dresses 20. So fraction 20 about upon 30, 0 cut means 2:3, otherwise 2/3. Fraction is 2/3. Now, second question, write the natural number from 2 to 12. Means we have to start to write from 2 and write to 12. What fraction of them are prime number? उनमें से प्राइम नंबर का फ्रैक्शन कितना होता है वो फाइंड करना है। तो फ्रेंड्स, we must know the prime factor between 2 to 12. So which are the prime factor between 2 to 12? The 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Now first I write all number from 2 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Write the natural number from 2 to 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 we have write. What fraction of them are prime number? Now we want to find prime number. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number and 11 is also prime number. Otherwise 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12 are composite number. So friends, how many total number? The total numbers from 2 to 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is 11. Now, number of prime number is 5. So what is the fraction of prime number and total number? So prime number upper side 5 upon 11. This is the answer. Means 1 to 12. Now, how many prime number? So total prime number 5. We want to fraction of prime number from 2 to 12. तो 2 to 12 में जितने भी नंबर है वो डाउन साइड, और जितने भी नंबर ये है वो अपर साइड, जो प्राइम नंबर है वो. ओके. नाउ सेम क्वेश्चन. Write the numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Friends, we have write here 2 to 12 like this. We have to write there 102, 113. So first I write total number 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 1010, 111, 112, 113. So how many total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total number is 12. But we have to find prime from them. So which are prime number from them? So friends, there are 4 prime number in this. One is 103, 107, 109 and 113. This is prime number. Then this is also prime number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is prime number. This is not prime number. 5 and plus 1 is 6. We can divide it 3 by 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, 6 plus 7. We can divide it by this 6, 7 plus 8. We can divide it by 8. Then 113 and 109. Friends, this is 103, 107, 109 and 113. How I can find? How I can find the prime number? So friends, we have to use divisible test. Look here, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 can divide by 3, so it is divisible. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is not divided by 2 by 3, 5, so it is. This number divided by 5, 4 and 5. This number is also divided by 2. This number divided by 2. This number divided by 2 by 2. This number divided by 3. 1, 1, 1 plus 3. And this number divided by 2. But 1, 1, 3. 3 plus 1 plus 5. 5 is not divided by 3. So if you use only 2 divisible test, 2 and 3, then you can easily find which are prime number. जैसे कि उसमें 3 की लगती है, इसमें 2 की 3 की, इसमें 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 3 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 से डिवाइड होता है, बाकी सब नहीं होते, तो बच गए. तो टोटल कितने हुए? 103, 107, 109 एंड 113. तो टोटल numbers are 12. From them, prime number is 4. The fraction of prime number and given number. Even numbers and given number is 4 upon 12. Means 4 1 जा 4, 1/3, 1/3 भी लिख सकते हो, 4/12 भी लिख सकते हो। Now, what fraction of the circle have x? This is the question number 8. उसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 टोटल 8 बॉक्सेस दिए हैं, and we have to find what is the fraction of the circle have x in them. जिनमें x है उसका फ्रैक्शन कितना है। तो फ्रेंड टोटल सर्कल इज 8, सर्कल with x is 4. So fraction of circle with x and total circle is 4/8. Our answer is 4/8. Now question number 11. Christine received a CD player for birthday. क्रिस्टी का बर्थडे है, उसको सीडी मिलती है गिफ्ट में। सी बॉट 3 सीडी, खुद इसने 3 सीडी, सी परचेज 3 सीडी इट्स herself and received 5 others as a gift. 3 CD she brought herself and other 5 CD she got as a gift. What fraction of the CDs did she buy and what fraction did she received as a gift? तो उसने जो सीडी परचेज की उसका फ्रैक्शन क्या हो सकता है, और जो उसके पास सीडी गिफ्ट में आई है उसका फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है। तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू काउंट टोटल सीडी। तो टोटल सीडीज इज 3 CDs she bought and 5 CD plus 5 CDs she got as a gift. Total 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Total she has total 8 CDs. Now we want to find the fraction of C by fraction of series of C by's, series of C by's. How many series C by's? 3. 3 total 8. 3/8. Now fraction of C received. So fraction of C received CDs as a gift is 5/8. So friends, I completed exercise 7.1 and you have to write this sum in your notebook. Next period we will start exercise 7.2. Jai Swaminarayan.